Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we'll be creating a driver account. We want to select our settings cog in the top right, scroll down and click into our carriers tab. Once we're on the carrier dashboard, we're going to click into the carrier that we want to create the driver for. In the middle of the screen, select our users tab. Here we'll select new user. We're going to add the email address of the driver. And then below, we're going to give our driver a name. Telephone number and profile image are optional. Last but not least, we want to select the building or region that this driver needs permission to. Then we can hit save. And now that driver is a user under our carrier.